Hello friends, I am Dinesh Changed. I am going to discuss the question number 5 of the EAPMT mains. In this question, it is said that in the absence of the torque on a frictionless table, we are rotating a particle. When we decrease its radius by a factor of 2 in the absence of the torque. A torque is absent, so angular momentum of the particle will be constant. Suppose particle's mass is m, its velocity is v, and its radius is r. So its initial angular momentum will be mvr. When we decrease its radius by a factor of 2, then its velocity will be, suppose v dash, and its radius will be r by 2. When we calculate the final velocity v dash, mr is cancelled by the mr, so v dash will be 2v. So velocity of the particle becomes a double of the initial. So when we compare the kinetic energy of the particle, suppose its initial kinetic energy is Ke1 and its final kinetic energy is Ke2. Mass is same and initial velocity is v. So its initial kinetic energy will be half mv square. When we compare this with final kinetic energy, mass is same but velocity becomes a double. It will be 2v. So this ratio will be 1 by 4. So the kinetic energy of the particle becomes 4 times of the initial. Hence, its result will be, its answer should be 4th. Thank you.